Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we will go through a simple tutorial on how to create a sticker image and remove its background using the Recraft V4 tool. Let's start by clicking on the image generation tool. In the empty box is where we create our sticker by entering a prompt. Here, I've explained I want to create an image of a vintage surf logo that includes a glowing sun, waves, and a text that reads sunset and sunrise. Before we click generate, take a look at your settings and choose the Recraft V4 model type, your image format, and your aspect ratio. Then click on the generate button. Click on the download button to save the image. Next, let's remove the background. To do this, go to Home, click on the Remove Background tool. In the empty box, you can either upload your image or go to the Use Image click up arrow in the History panel. Keep in mind, Use Image arrow will only apply to WebP formats. Go to your settings and choose the fast mode for a quick clean cutout of this image, your output format, and then click on the Remove Background button. Move the slider to view the changes. Click on the Download Modifying button to save your image. Let's try another prompt. Go ahead and clear your prompt box. Enter in a new prompt. This time, I entered in to create a retro style image of the ocean waves and a text that reads, Waves of the Waves. Check your settings, and then click on the Generate button. Make sure to download to save the image. Let's remove our background. Go to Home, remove background, clear your image. This time, let's click to upload. Check your settings. And then click on the Remove Background button. Move the slider to view the changes. When finished, click on the Download Modified button.